Alright fam, about to get in a quick grocery haul really fast. Let's get this buggy and get in here and get out. I don't never have luck with getting the first good buggy. Let's see, I hope the wheels all work. Oh Lord, this thing drag. Get my husband some hot Tennessee. Alright. And get me some mild Tennessee. Hello, good morning. Get the egg whites. The date on these stuff. Alright, got my egg white, which is essential. Definitely need that body armor for immunity. My husband's favorite, the fruit punch. Get him quite a few of these. Like these. Four, six. All right. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Wait a minute. 2. Oh, one more. Get them whole wheat Triscuits. I like the original. Not ready to experiment. Oh, yeah, that's the best one. Right here. That worked. Oh, your girl looked out. She found a gluten-free aisle with the help of a wonderful lady. Let's see. We got brown rice, gluten-free, spaghetti noodles. Oh, yes, I'm coming. So this is a gluten-free aisle tucked over here. Oh man, I won't be walking past this anymore. Good stuff. I'm gonna try these cookies. Chocolate chip. Ooh, which one do I want? Do I want the chocolate chip? Do I want the vanilla or chocolate cream? Ooh, so hard. Okay, I'm gonna go with the cheaper one, the cream. Let's see. All right, done. All right, my beautiful golden butterfly family, my grocery haul is almost complete. I'm about to go home and unload my bags and show you what I got. All right, back in a few. All right, fam, I am back home. My quick little grocery haul was complete. I'm just going to show you some of the items that I got that are going to be on the menu for the end of the week, weekend, early week, so to speak. So I got some gluten-free brown rice spaghetti noodles. Gotta get the M&Ms. Actually, if you look it up, M&Ms is a good low-calorie snack. The regular M&Ms, peanut M&Ms. Pretty good snack, pretty healthy. I got some cilantro for a Mexican side dish of corn and black beans that I'm gonna do because my husband's doing tacos this weekend. I got low sodium taco seasoning to go in it. And I got my whole corn and my black beans to go in it. Excuse the mess. Plus I got some diced green chili to go up in it, which makes it pop. I've got some northern white beans that I'm going to put on for early next week in the crock pot, some sausage. I've got corn on the cob, frozen. I've got Tennessee Pride mild sausage and hot for my husband. And I've got my uncured turkey bacon sandwich choice, which is very, very good, a good item. I've got my liquid egg whites, 100%. I've got a crap load of Body Armor in peach mango flavor, blueberry pomegranate flavor, and fruit punch to stock up. I got my whole green beans because I'm going to make a little dish with green beans and onions and peppers today with some yams and salmon. I've got my protein bar, which is a lifesaver when you're in between meals and you need a snack. I got my Triscuits with a hint of sea salt, whole wheat, which are awesome. Some more Body Armor. Body Armor. I didn't get those potatoes. Those were last week. My husband wanted those. And I got my raisin bread, which is good, a good carb. And I got my gluten-free pasta penne, just in case I want to do some type of stir fry or something, or what have you. So that concludes my first grocery haul, your girl KK Pittman. And until next time, I really appreciate you. Please remember to always like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna put it right above my head here. I appreciate you and have a blessed weekend, safe weekend. Until next time.